This dashcam caught a hit and run in perfect 4K at night. It's the reason I'm making this review. The REDTIGER F17 Elite costs 4,999 rupees, which is less than a single challan for a serious traffic violation. Inside you get the camera, a strong adhesive mount, a long USB-C cable, and a handy trim removal tool. It's surprisingly discreet with its matte black finish, designed to be nearly invisible from outside your car's windshield. The best part is the magnetic mount. You can snap the camera on and off in literally 1 second. Once installed behind your rearview mirror, you completely forget it's there. It never obstructs your view while driving. At night, its Sony STARVIS sensor captures clear video, even in poorly lit streets where accidents are most common. The secret is the true 4K sensor paired with a wide f1.5 aperture lens, pulling in maximum light. It uses a supercapacitor, not a battery. This is vital for India's heat, as it won't swell or fail. The built-in microphone records all audio inside the car, which can be crucial for context during any incident. With its 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can connect your phone directly to the dashcam to view live footage. If you have a sudden impact, the G-sensor automatically detects it and locks the video file from being overwritten. It's so small and light, you can easily unmount it and slip it into your pocket to prevent theft. Using the app, you can download the exact clip you need to your phone within seconds, no laptop needed. Compared to blurry 1080p cams, this 4K resolution lets you clearly read license plates from 20 meters away. If you drive daily in a busy city or do long highway trips, this is a must-have for you. The one limitation is that this base package does not include a rear camera, which is a separate purchase. This isn't just another gadget. It's your silent, digital witness on the road that never, ever blinks. It's available now on Amazon India for 4,999 rupees. For this level of security, that's an incredible price. These sell out fast at this price. Don't wait for an incident. Link in description. Check the latest Amazon price.